Yes, very warm good morning children. In the last previous lecture we have learned about the remaining two products, that is coal gas and coal tar. When we talked about coal tar, it is a mixture of more than 200 substances. It is a black color, oily liquid with unpleasant smell. It is mainly used in the chemical industry for making paints, making drugs, making explosives. So these are the uses of the coal tar. Then coal gas, we have learned that it is obtained by the heating of the coal tar, and when we talk about coal gas, earlier it is going to be used for street lights as well as for the lighting purpose. In the since 1950 till 1950 in Mumbai, they have used that particular coal tar in the form of street lights. So that is what we have learned. We have also learned about the introduction of petroleum. That means what we have learned, we have actually here petroleum. This is come from two Latin words. So which that particular Latin words, petra and oleum, where petra means rock and oleum means oil. So petroleum is known as rock oil. It is also named by crude oil, and due to the uses widely it is used in many of the particulars, so it is known as black gold. So that was a question. Yesterday also we have discussed that. We are going to discuss answering the next particular upcoming lectures. So this was the introduction about the petroleum. That petroleum, this is the particular word which is made by two Latin words, petra जिसका meaning होता है rock, and oleum that means oil. So the particular oil which we are obtaining from the rocks, it is known as rock oil. It is also named as crude oil, and it is also known as black gold. Now we learn about the origin of the petroleum. Petroleum क्या है? So it is a mixture of the solid, liquid and gaseous form of hydrocarbon. अब ये hydrocarbon क्या है? The compound which are having hydrogen and carbon inside it. So that are named as hydrocarbon, children. So petroleum is a complex mixture of either it is in the solid form, either it is in the liquid form, either it is in the gaseous form, and it is mainly containing hydrogen and carbon, which is mixed with salt water. So that is the origin of it. Now how it is formed? Like coal. कोल कैसे फॉर्म हुआ था वो हमने देखा है कि इट इज़ देयर फॉर्म बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ कार्बोनाइजेशन. बहुत सारे नेचुरल डिजास्टर की वजह से एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स जो दे आर गॉट बरीड अंडर द अर्थ क्रस्ट फॉर द मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स, एंड ड्यू टू द एक्सट्रीम हीट एंड प्रेशर दे आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू कोल. In same manner, when we talk about aquatic life that means what? The animals, plants which are there survive in the sea water, okay, or ocean. So when we talk about the formation and anaerobic that means in the absence of oxygen, whenever there is a decomposition का meaning होता है टूटना, to break down. So decomposition of what? Extremely small sea animals and plants which are got buried in the sea bed, जो सी या तो ओशन के अंदर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स अगो they are going to get buried under the sea. So ऐसे sea aquatic life, that means aquatic animals or plants, they are going to get buried under the particular sea bed, and due to extreme heat and particular pressure they are converted into oil. So that particular is known as crude oil. इसमें क्या बोलेंगे? Crude oil. And we cannot use that particular oil directly, so we have to refine it. To obtaining the particular product from that petroleum, so हम उसे बोलेंगे refining. कोई भी चीज़ अगर होती है तो whenever we are using it, we make sure that is it useful, it is free from germs or anything nowadays, whatever the pandemic situation. तो हम उसे घर पे लाके धोते हैं, then we just drying it up and then we are using it. Same manner, whatever the petroleum, whatever the crude oil which we are getting after the formation of the petroleum, so they are going to be refined. So next topic we have to learn about, it is the refining of petroleum, that is known as petroleum refining. So we learn about the particular definition of petroleum refining and the particular products we are obtaining from the petroleum. That means petroleum is a mixture of the particulars, like it is a mixture of kerosene, it is a mixture of paraffin wax, it is containing petrol inside in it, it is containing gasoline inside in it. So it is mixture of thousands of the particular products. So how that products are obtained from that particular petroleum, so for that we have to learn about the refining of petroleum. So now we are going to learn about the petroleum, refining of petroleum. So please kindly copy it, children. Yes, now we learn about the refining of petroleum, children. So children, पेट्रोलियम क्या है? इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ हियर आई हैव रिटन HC. अब आपको समझ आना है H क्या है हाइड्रोजन और C क्या है कार्बन. सो दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर दैट इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. हाइड्रो स्टैंड्स फॉर हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन, C स्टैंड्स फॉर कार्बन, along with water, salt as well as other rocky material. That is direct पेट्रोलियम को हम एज ए फ्यूल यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन नॉट यूज petroleum direct as a fuel or making the other particular products. So for that what we have to do, we have to, it should be purified, or we have to make it purified, we have to make it pure for using as a fuel purpose. So the process of that particular purifying the petroleum, that is known as refining of petroleum. ये एक मार्क में important question ऐसे IEP पे पूछा जा सकता है. So what we can write for that, the process of separation of various components which are present in the petroleum from one another, एक दूसरे से उसको अलग करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस है, that process is known as refining of petroleum, children. Again I am repeating the particular same thing. Petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbon along with water, salt and other rocky material. So it can be used directly as a fuel or other particular purpose. So what we have to do, we have to make it purified. Whenever we are using, it should be purified first. So how we can make it purified? So that is going to be done by the process of refining. So that process is known as what? Refining of petroleum. So what is the definition for this? So the definition what we can write is the process of separating various components from one another. जो भी components पेट्रोलियम में है उसको एक दूसरे से अलग करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस यूज हो रही है, ज़्यादातर इंडस्ट्री, केमिकल इंडस्ट्री आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस. सो दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? द रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. जो भी पेट्रोलियम कंपोनेंट्स हैं उसको एक दूसरे से अलग करने के लिए वॉट एवर द प्रोसेस इज यूज, दैट इज नोन एज द रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम, चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट अबाउट द पेट्रोलियम? Petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbon along with water, salt and other rocky materials. So it cannot be used as a fuel directly or other particular purpose. Before that particular, if we want to use as a fuel, it must be purified first. So how we can purify it? We can use the process of refining. Refining of petroleum is what? This is a process of separating various components from one another which are present in the petroleum. So that process is known as refining of petroleum. So children, when we talked about the particular refining process, so हम definition क्या लिखेंगे? This is the process of separating the particular components which are present in the petroleum from one another. That process is known as refining of petroleum. By refining of petroleum, we can separate out the particular product at the particular temperature. That temperature goes on 3000 degrees Celsius and more than that. 3000 डिग्री और उससे ऊपर टेम्परेचर जाए तो भी हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलती है इधर इन द सॉलिड फॉर्म, इधर इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म और इधर इन द गैसियस फॉर्म. Mostly what is the product which we are getting, that is there in the solid, liquid or gaseous form. So these are the particular what we can say that the refining of petroleum which we have learned about. You can copy it from the particular board. So can you copy it from the board, so you don't have need to search for the notes further on. So you can copy it one by one the particular topic which we have learned. That is refining of petroleum, purifying of the petroleum. So you can just copy this, that there is a process of separation of the various components which are present inside in the petroleum from one another. जो भी components है पेट्रोलियम में उसको एक दूसरे से अलग करने के लिए दिखता वो एक है, बट उसमें बहुत सारे component present है. वो कंपोनेंट को एक दूसरे से अलग करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस है उसे हम बोलेंगे रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. Now we learn about the product one by one, that what are the products we are getting by the refining of petroleum. So children, here we learn about the very first three products which we are getting by the refining of petroleum. Very first you can see over here, that is LPG. LPG is nothing else, stands for liquefied heat. P stands for petroleum and G, that is there for gas. That means this is the gaseous form which we are obtaining from the petroleum. Where it is used, children? It is used as a fuel at home as well as in the industry. So very first particular component which is separated by the refining of petroleum, that is LPG, which is there in the gaseous form. It is used as a fuel in the home or in the industry. Okay, that is the first component. Now second, petrol. पेट्रोल हम जानते हैं अभी कि पेट्रोल वी आर यूजिंग इन द व्हीकल्स nowadays. We are observing in the daily life, if we move from very one place to another place, we are not reaching to the particular place by walking. We are using the vehicles, so vehicle require petrol to run. So we can write the use that it is used as a fuel in motor vehicles, that may be scooter, that may be car, that may be any other particular. So that is the use very first. Second, it is used as a solvent in dry cleaning. जो कपड़े ड्राई क्लीनिंग होते हैं उसमें भी वो यूज़ होता है. दैट इज़ द सेकेंड यूज फॉर द पेट्रोल. थर्ड इज केरोसिन. ऑलरेडी केरोसिन इज यूज एज अ फ्यूल इन द पर्टिकुलर स्टव. बहुत पहले के ज़माने में, जब बहुत पहले दे आर हैविंग चूल्हास, सो एट अ टाइम दे आर यूजिंग वुड एज अ फ्यूल. देन दे आर जस्ट मूविंग ऑन द पर्टिकुलर स्टव. तो स्टव इज देन आफ्टर रन बाय द यूजिंग ऑफ केरोसिन. वो केरोसिन से चलता था. नाउअडेज वी आर हैविंग द पर्टिकुलर स्टव गैस विच आर देयर रन बाय द ब्यूटेन गैस. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट द यूज ऑफ केरोसिन. केरोसिन इज यूज्ड एज अ फ्यूल इन स्टव. इट इज यूज्ड इन द जेट एयरक्राफ्ट एज अ फ्यूल. वो एयरक्राफ्ट में jet particular jet aircraft, jet airplanes are there run by the use of kerosene. So this is the use of the very first three products which we are obtaining by the refining of petroleum. सबसे पहली product है LPG. L stands for liquefied, P stands for petroleum and G stands for gas. So it is used as a fuel at home as well as in the industry. Petrol is the liquid form which we are obtaining by the refining of petroleum. It is used as a fuel in motor vehicles as well as it is used as a solvent for the dry cleaning purpose. And lastly, when we talked about the third product, that is kerosene. Kerosene is also a liquid form of the petroleum product. So when we talked about the use, it is used as a fuel in stoves as well as the fuel in jet aircrafts. So that is about the first three products which we are obtaining by the particular refining of petroleum. More 4 products are remaining which we learned in the very previous next lecture. Today we just have the images that which particular product which we are getting after kerosene. After kerosene you can just have lubricating oil, then paraffin wax, and lastly you are getting the coal tar. So these are the particular product which we are getting after the refining of petroleum. So this is the 3 product. So you can copy down the uses of each as well as the product which we are getting, which we are obtaining by the refining of the petroleum. So this is all about today. In the next particular lecture we start with the remaining products which we are obtaining by the refining process. These are the very first 3 products. See, at a certain temperature we are getting this product, and that you learn in the higher classes how these petroleum products are obtained in the particular refineries, how they are obtained. So you can just have a look on this, and in the next previous lecture we just learn about the remaining products and the uses of the remaining products. So you just kindly copy it, children.